Hello my lovely foodie members, thank you once again for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. On the menu today, I am sharing corned beef stew. Very easy to put together and it turned out so delicious as well. So now if you haven't still subscribed yet, do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. So now without wasting my time, let's dive right in. Alright, so to begin with this corned beef stew, I will start by heating up my cooking oil. Use any cooking oil of your choice. Moving forward, I'll go in with some natural spices as well to give the oil extra flavor. So I'll be listing everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. After going in with the natural spices, I will stir everything together and allow it to fry for about 1 minute. Whilst the oil is nice and very hot, I'll go in with some blended pepper mix. As I said, I'll be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. So do check it out after the video. So after going in with the blended pepper mix, I will stir everything together and allow it to cook on low medium heat until it's nice and ready. Alright, so we are back to check on the stew for the second time and it's doing all good and perfect. So I'll go in with my tomato paste. For this recipe, you can also use fresh tomatoes only if that is what you want, but the tomato paste works perfectly fine. I'll stir everything together just the way you see it on the screens right now. I'll cover it again and allow it to cook until it's also nice and ready. Remember as well to check it from time to time. Alright, so whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, also sharing my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after the tomatoes is also ready, I'll go in with some seasoning and you can use any seasoning of your choice. For seasoning, I'll go in with some nutmeg, stew seasoning powder, shrimp powder, and I'll stir everything together. And you all know how much I love mackerel in my tomato stew, so I'll be going in with some mackerel as well. You can omit it totally if you don't want to add it. And since I'm making corned beef stew, I won't be going in with salt right now because the corned beef contains a little bit of salt. And the seasoning also contains a little bit of salt as well, so I won't be going in with salt right now. So right now I'll allow this stew to cook for about 10 minutes on low medium heat, and afterwards I'll be back to check on it. And at this point it is ready for me to go in with my corned beef. Use any corned beef brand of your choice, and at this point you can taste for salt. If it's not enough, you can go in with more salt to your taste. So I'll give it a good mix and allow it to cook until the stew is nice and ready. Don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that yet. Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. And also subscribe. Also turn on the post notification bell and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now the stew is nice and ready. I'm going to use this stew to prepare jollof rice, and I think I'll upload the jollof rice before this, so whichever video that comes first, kindly watch it for me. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.